Hello, everyone. My name is Luna. Today, I will tell you about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Great, let's start. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm rings and I get up right away. I stretch my arms and smile. It feels good to start the day. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. After that, I wash my face with cold water. The cold water helps me wake up completely. Next, I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. I usually eat bread with eggs. Sometimes I add some fresh fruit, like an apple or a banana. I also drink a hot cup of tea. The tea makes me feel warm and ready for the day. After breakfast, I choose my clothes. I like to wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it is cold outside, I wear a sweater too. Then I brush my hair and look in the mirror. I check my bag. I put in my phone, my keys, and my wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes. I open the door and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. On the way, I see other people going to work or school. The morning air is fresh and nice. Everything feels calm and busy at the same time. This is my morning routine. It is simple, but I like it. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. See you next time. Bye.